me to places I've never been. You do things that make me a better man, and bus stops they turn into hours spent rambling on. One look and you got the best of me. 4 feet take us where we wanna be. 3 words that would be the death of me. Chances
I don't want that look.
we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane and leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side.
So sadly, Big Ben is under construction. So we're gonna have to Photoshop that. But that's where it would be. Just imagine it with none of that on there.
At night like we're Letterman. We're deeper right now than I've ever been. Overthinking this would be irrelevant. Chances are we'll end up in a bar tonight where drinks turn off the filter right, put in place to hide things we both know. It's obvious there'll come a time I'll board a plane to leave behind the closest thing to home, away from home. My mind won't forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. Falling. Forget nights like these ones. I'm falling before I go again. I've tried to pretend time is on our side. I'm falling before I go again. I left my phone at my brother's place. It's not my fault, don't walk away, 'cause I don't quite know what you're running from. 'Cause all my friends, they think I'm fun. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. Going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. I left my keys at my cousin's house. He says I need to leave you 'cause you're bringing me down, and you're all worked up 'cause I got home late. You hold this night against me till 3008. You take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. Cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. You kill me when I'm wrong and you kill me when I'm right, but you know it wouldn't kill you if you tried to be nice. Stop making me choose between you and Fortnite. Now I'm telling you, you take yourself too seriously. I don't wanna hear you say we waste our time. Cause you're the one who's going home to be all alone, watching cooking shows. You take yourself too seriously. I'm fine. Stay another minute, let me hold you. You might be late for work, that's okay. Every day I get to know you, and all your flaws are nothing to change. I love it when you wake up, freckles with no makeup. I just wanna take up all your time and stay put. Humor mixed with perfume takes over the bedroom. I was built to love you, you know. Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? I think I found an angel. Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? I don't think so. No, I don't think so. I know that every second you're gone, it's like heaven slipped away. You're the reason that I'm chasing. A smile like that can make no mistakes. I love it when you wake up, freckles with no makeup. I just wanna take up all your time and stay put. Humor mixed with perfume takes over the bedroom. I was built to love you, you know. Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? I think I found an angel. Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? Is there anybody out there? Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? I think I found an angel. Is there anybody else like you? Anybody else like you? I don't think so. No, 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 I don't think so. I'm falling.